world data science has 3 tracks: a programming track, a management track, and an engineering track. Roughly, each one is 1/3. So programming track is 7 to 8 classes. Management is 6 to 8 classes, and the rest is the engineering track. Everyone has to do all 3 tracks, whether you are a computer scientist or mechanical engineer or a BSc or a BBA or an MBA, you have to do all the tracks. So we will make everything accessible to everybody, in the sense, even though you are not a programmer, you will be able to understand the programming track. Even though you don't have managerial background, you will be able to understand the business track. Even though you don't have mechanical engineering or healthcare engineering background, you will be able to follow the engineering track. Why is this important? This course, the primary purpose of this course is to give you an idea of the extent of data science, excite you to explore the data science. At the end of this course, a computer science student may decide, hey, you know what, programming is what I love, so I'll continue. Or they may say, oh my God, my attitude aligns so well with the management aspects of data science, so I want to study that. Or, you know what, healthcare application seems so cool, maybe I should actually explore and get into the healthcare industry. So the idea here is not teaching you some theory of data science. The idea here is to show how cool data science can be by exposing you to a variety of tracks. Now, obviously, when you are learning the programming track, you will work on coding, and we will actually help you set up the infrastructure, write the Python code from ground up. Similarly, when you are working on the business module, you will find out, you will work on various frameworks that we are going to expose you to. So you will actually look at how surveys are done, how analysis is done, how Excel is used efficiently, and how decisions are made. When you are studying the engineering track, you will probably look at visualizations. You will look at generating rules of thumb. You will look at giving results in a way that engineers can use very efficiently in their day-to-day problem solving. So you will learn all 3 aspects of data science. So these 20 weeks are very exciting, expose you to a variety of aspects of data science, at the end of which, hopefully, you'll make the right decision about how you practice data science in your career. Curriculum flow, you please look at the website and real world data science page. Again, as mentioned, you can join this course at every odd lecture, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is not that you have to start from the very beginning. Every lecture essentially is divided into 2 one-hour sessions. So only those 2 are dependent on each other. The 3rd session is independently done. So 1 and 2 are dependent, 3 and 4 are dependent. So you can join at 3 and continue all the way to 20 and then do 1 and 2. You can join at 5, go all the way to 20 and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So you don't have to join on day 1. That's a very interesting aspect of this live course. We keep doing it, and you can join whenever you know about the course, and you can start learning from them. Thank you very much.